Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating the easy hardware issues. Inspect the cable, plug the headset directly into the PC, and verify the mic arm is down and unmuted. Once done, open your OS sound panel and select the BlackShark V2 as the default input device so the system routes audio correctly. Make sure volume sliders are up and not at 0. This prevents false negatives when you move to driver and software checks next. Now you address the software layer. Install or update RAZER Synapse and any USB audio drivers, then restart the PC to apply changes. Next, in device properties, set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz at 16-bit and disable exclusive mode so other apps can access the mic. Adjust microphone boost and input levels gradually while monitoring peak clipping. This balances sensitivity against distortion, which often fixes low volume or muffled voice issues. Finish by validating performance in real apps. Record with voice recorder, join a Discord mic test, and speak at normal distance while watching input meters. If problems persist, try a replacement cable or adapter and test the headset on another computer to isolate hardware faults. Once you've retried software fixes, reset Synapse and reinstall drivers. Contact RAZER support with your findings. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear static or no signal,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.